Once upon a time, deep in a cave, there lived a big, friendly dragon. He had a very big problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. And every time he did, he blew away his treasure chest. One day, a curious kid named Mia found the dragon's cave. Whoa, you just blew a fire sneeze. The dragon was embarrassed. Yes, and last week I blew my pillow into the river. Mia thought for a moment. Maybe your cave is too dusty. The dragon looked around. You think so? Mia grabbed a giant feather duster and started cleaning. The dragon tried to help, but he just couldn't stop sneezing. Achoo! All the dust flew away in one big sneeze. The cave sparkled, completely clean. See? All better, Mia said with a clap. The dragon sniffed. I don't feel like sneezing anymore. He smiled at Mia. Thank you. Now I can finally have friends without sneezing them into the sky. Mia laughed, and you taught me something too. It's okay to laugh at problems, because sometimes laughter helps us find the solution. The dragon and Mia flew through the sky together.